Hailiang Copper Texas is a subsidiary of China Hailiang Group, one of the largest manufacturers of copper and copper alloy products in the world. According to the Labor Department, the company has more than 20,000 workers across 80 subsidiaries, including one location in Sealy, Texas. In March, an employee in Sealy suffered severe arm injuries while trying to clear debris. The worker's right hand became caught between a conveyor belt and a rack holding 15 one-ton copper coils. The injuries were extensive and resulted in a partial arm amputation. The accident triggered an OSHA investigation that found a failure to install required machine guards or locking devices at the plant, which exposed workers to hazardous contact with moving machine parts. The company was cited for 24 serious violations and assessed $253,000 in proposed penalties. In Sealy, inspectors also found a lack of energy control procedures, failure to mark tags or slings on cranes, failure to provide respirators, and exposing workers wearing thermal-resistant, aluminized, heat-reflective suits to potential indoor heat illness hazards. The company has 15 business days from when it received its citations and penalties to comply, request an informal conference, or contest the findings. OSHA is familiar with Hailiang's shop in Sealy. The company was cited for 5 violations in October 2023. The company was initially fined $46,000 but contested the findings and wound up paying about $27,000. The company also had a fall hazard complaint reported earlier this month. In a statement, OSHA Area Director Monica Camacho said insufficient machine guarding is a frequent issue in the manufacturing industry that has led to many serious and life-altering injuries. Camacho also stresses that beyond implementing safety controls, companies must address language barriers and ensure that communication and training are provided in languages all employees can understand and apply effectively. We reached out to Hailiang, but they have not yet responded to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.